So, you want to film the intro?
How do you do that? Hit me with it.
Just wing it. What are we doing today?
Well, that's the thing. I don't know exactly what we're doing. We're back with the KZ, son. I really don't know what we're working on though. Why don't you just show them and you tell them?
Alright.
You know the pieces. The pieces are valid.
I think, so I'm not going to lie, when I took the bike apart, I just threw everything in one box. So I think that this is everything I need here. But I had my grandfather rebuilt the shocks for me. He put all new fork seals in, cleaned everything out, new fork oil. I got new dust covers to go on.
Like underneath.
I should have. I really wish I had painted that and cleaned that up. I don't plan on using this long term though.
So this is just to get it together.
Just to get it together. So my plan is I found a company that makes custom triple clamps with the little Moto M unit, the micro M unit, whatever it's called, built in. So because I'm doing clip-ons, it won't have the handlebar mounts on. It'll be just a regular flat triple clamp, and then it'll have my speedometer. It'll be a digital speedometer built into the triple clamp. The only thing is it's like $500, so that's why I'm not doing it right away.
Oh, great. Well, hopefully we've fixed this problem.
We're just gonna do it like this for now. Oh. If I remember how everything goes back together.
You need tools. Where are your tools? It's such a good thing you work out now.
She watched my last video where I was like,
I saw you were struggling, man. I'm like, dang, that boy needs to hit the gym. Oh, what the? Oh, you just dropped something. What did you do?
I hope that wasn't important.
That's definitely important.
Alright, we're good.
Oh, thank God. Bolts are looking really. Oh, shit. No, boy, it's not screwing in, boy. Boy, it's not screwing.
Don't tell me that.
It's not screwing in, boy. Two different sizes, boy. What the heck?
We're gonna go searching for some parts and we'll be right back. This one.
Is that it?
That one.
Looking kind of fat.
Oh, we're good now.
What is that? Dude, I don't do flying bugs, man. Is there anywhere else we can video?
No, I figured it out. I'm not messing up.
Yeah.
I know exactly what I'm doing.
Here we go.
Hold on, time out.
Probably this one though. For
Time
real.
out.
Ow! Oh, okay. Wow, that's not even that one. That was so fast! Like Lightning McQueen! Record time. No wonder the cops sit out front of your guys' house.
Are you guys hungry?
Yeah. I'm not at the moment, but later I will eat your food.
Are you fussy?
I have something to drink right now, thank you though.
No, I said.
What'd you say? I thought you said, are you thirsty?
I was going to ask that next, so that's good. That's the
Oh,
answer.
okay. So what are you saying?
I said, are you fussy?
I'm not fussy, no.
No? Okay.
So I bought the cheap ones and not the nice quality woodcraft ones like I did with the Gixxer. So we have to put these on before we put the top triple clamp on.
Wait a minute, what? What are these?
These are the handlebars.
Of course they are.
You might have to loosen it up.
Yo, these bugs! These bugs, dude, they like. Alright, you have the thing to undo.
Yeah, there's Allen sets in there.
give me all your Allen sets. Wrong again. God darn. Going the wrong way. Try this one. Yeah, boy. Son?
Hang on, I'm questioning something again.
Well, why there's you two? This is like one-sided. Like, I feel like I have to, like get in there. Wait a minute, are they even though?
I just snugged them. I can adjust them in a minute. Apparently I didn't snug them. I don't know what those threads are for. I don't remember what those threads were for.
Need I tell you, this man races his own bike and does his own mechanicals on his bike while he does 150. It's quite scary now that I'm witnessing all the knowledge this boat is. Oh my god. It's great. Oh shit, look at that. You might know what you're doing.
You know what? We screwed up already.
Why?
Timeout.
Okay, pause.
Yeah, so I take it back. I found the manual. Here's what I just realized though. We have to slide these in to the frame before you can put the top triple clamp on. So that means that I have to redo those.
So this is what this is.
These bearings here.
These are the guts. That's going on the KZ.
All balls racing. I'm really upset.
Why?
We gotta pack these.
Alright, well, let's pack them.
I hate packing bearings. Alright.
Never done it before.
Ground.
So that's what it looks like after it's been used a couple of times?
Well, I mean, there's green. I mean, there's most of the time.
Oh, so there's different colors.
There's different colors here.
This is about to make an ugly color. So that's good then.
So see how it squished out the sides like that?
Yeah.
So now the bearing's full of grease.
Oh, wasn't that bloody lovely?
Is that bearing piece?
Yeah. I'm just trying to. Now I need to understand how these go together. That's part of the frame, so that's just got to sit in there, right? In all honesty,
Did
when
you start the camera again?
Yeah.
Welcome back, folks. We don't know what the f we're doing. Give it a good smack, bro. Puny arms.
Well, I don't want to like. I need a block of wood.
Yeah, that now, bro. There's no way that's right.
That bearing doesn't sit all the way in that cup.
There's two different bearings.
That didn't even cross my mind, to be honest with you.
Yeah, and then a lower one. Look at hey,
I
put
hope.
them on camera. MVPs right here.
Shout me out if you do.
Oh, get him that shout out, son.
Yep.
I feel like that's in far enough.
Why not? That's in way more than what the other one was. Look at that. That's in.
But I mean, that piece there.
Well, let's whack this one and see what happens. Hold up. Leave it the case to get a piece of wood that's as big as the bearing. Oh, dude, I'm afraid to hold it now. Oh, dude. Oh, dude, it's already purple. Oh.
Hit it up top there.
Right here?
Yeah.
There
you go. There you go.
Boy, that's in.
Hit.
Look how far that's out.
No, let's keep going.
Got that?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
That's how it's
That's
supposed
in. This one needs to go in more. Full trust. Full trust.
to be. Full trust.
All right.
I think I went in. Nope.
Alright. I think that one's just how that one's gonna go.
Let me get a couple more whacks out of it.
That one fit perfect on the bottom.
It should make it.
Ooh. Ooh.
Alright, let's see. I think that's all you're gonna get there, dog.
I think that's all we're getting out of it. See, no, this isn't right.
I think it has a couple of pieces on it that aren't right.
That's got to come off for this to work. And this has to go, that's going to have to go in farther.
Right there.
Okay, that hurt. Alright, so with a little help from YouTube, figured out what we're supposed to do here. And we need to cut this piece off. So I'm going to try it with the Dremel. Finally! Alright, so to get this bearing on nice and evenly, and to keep it from sliding on crooked, I took and I put it upside down in the bench vise and then hammered from this side, instead of trying to take a screwdriver and hammer it down. So I'm sure that those of you that are more experienced in bike building than Mikey and I realized their fatal mistake a lot quicker than we did. In the last clip, you saw me trying to stick the bottom triple clamp up into the steering tube. Again, it was too short. What I then realized is what I thought was part of the frame was actually the old races. For some reason, I had thought that they had fallen out and that was part of the frame, and when sticking the new races in there, that is what they butted up against. Obviously, I wasn't right about that. So I had to take the new races for the tapered bearings and pound them out. I put them in the freezer so that they would shrink a little bit, and I pounded the old races out, and then the new races from being cold slid in really easily, and everything after that went together super simple. The next day, Mikey and I decided to put the front wheel on, which again was a bigger headache than it should have been. Didn't bag everything individually like I should have, and I lost the little spacer. Eventually I did find it, but again, I really wish I had bagged everything up. Knew better, but I was in a rush to take the bike apart. After we did the front wheel, we then put the back wheel on, so the bike is rolling now. You put one of the foot pegs on as well as the kickstand, and then I just got to get another cotter pin for the other foot peg. The next thing that we got to do is drop the motor in. That's what the next video will be. After that, I just got to order the supplies to make a new seat, and will be the exhaust and headlight. And I think that's everything that I still need to buy for this. Gas tank is away getting painted right now, so I should see that in another couple weeks. Overall though, bike's starting to come together. If you guys like this video, be sure to like it and leave me a comment. If this is your first time here, subscribe, give me a follow on Instagram, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.